MS treatment is not like flipping an off switch. It is more like turning down the volume on the disease. Multiple sclerosis, or MS, is a disease that affects the brain and spinal cord. It happens when the immune system mistakenly attacks the central nervous system. This can damage myelin, the protective coating around nerves. When that happens, people may have symptoms like numbness, weakness, vision problems, fatigue, or trouble moving. Welcome to Science My Health, your channel for health and research information. So, how has MS treatment changed over time? For many years, MS treatment mostly meant injectable medications. These included drugs like interferons and glatiramer acetate. Now, treatment options have expanded. A recent study explains that MS treatment has changed over the past 3 decades with newer disease-modifying therapies, including oral medications, infusion treatments, and high-efficacy therapies that target the immune system in different ways. As a caveat, these treatments do not cure MS. They are called disease-modifying therapies, or DMTs. Their goal is to quiet the disease. That means reducing inflammation, lowering the chance of relapses, and helping prevent new damage to the nervous system. And this matters because MS can look very different from person to person. Some people have relapsing remitting MS, where symptoms flare up and then improve. Others have progressive forms of MS, where disability slowly gets worse over time. MS can also be described as active or not active, depending on relapses or MRI findings. So why is progressive MS still so hard to treat? Many current MS drugs are better at calming inflammation than repairing damage that has already happened. Progressive MS may involve more long-term nerve damage, not just sudden attacks from inflammation. That makes it harder to treat, especially when the disease is not active. Researchers are now studying new approaches. Some treatments may target immune activity inside the central nervous system. Others are being studied for remyelination, which means repairing damaged myelin, or neuroprotection, which means helping protect nerve cells from further damage. So what's the bottom line? MS treatment has improved a lot. People now have more options than older injectable drugs alone. But MS is still complex, and there is still no cure. For someone with MS, the best treatment depends on many factors, including disease activity, age, side effects, pregnancy plans, and personal preferences. So the big takeaway is this: MS treatment has come a long way, but the next major challenge is not just slowing MS down, it is learning how to protect and repair the nervous system. Like this video and subscribe to Science My Health for more easy-to-understand health research news.